What if I told you that mastering one skill could completely change how you work, create, and scale a business in 2025? That skill is prompt engineering. And no, it's not just for tech geeks, it's for anyone who wants to harness the willpower of AI. In this video, I will show you how to master prompt engineering, the exact framework I use, and how you can start creating outputs that will blow your competition away. So let me tell you, AI is something if you want to implement in your business that is gonna help you to grow your business faster, and you can focus on your business actually. You can save your time. You can grow your business actually in 2x or 15x. Like you can increase. Like you can easily automate the work through AI, and for that you need to know prompt engineering. This is the basic skill you should start with it, because if you start with other businesses, like other services like AI voices or AI chatbots, other services also there, but first start with prompt engineering. This is the basic and like the first thing that you should know. So yeah, if you're here, chances are you're looking to unlock the true potential of AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Bear today. So we're diving deep into prompt engineering, the most underrated skill of 2025. Let me tell you, prompt engineering is something that's gonna help you to leverage other skills. This is the basic. This is a core skill that you should know before going through other services. Like if you don't know how to do copywriting, instead of that, you should know this. If you don't know how to use chat GPTs and everything, you should know this. This is like, if you're a copywriter, you will understand this even better. Like I'm not saying just if you know a code language or something like that, it's like there's no problem if you don't know any code language. There's software is there. You don't need to code. Like there's some software is there, like no code softwares, so you don't need to be too much precise everything, like of everything, and you can just start right now. You need to take the action. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to write preset prompts that get you stellar outputs, the framework behind crafting prompts that AI loves, how prompt engineering can save time and make you money. And so let's jump in. So let's start with this. And okay, what is prompt engineering? So prompt engineering is essentially the art of communication with AI in a way that gets you the exact result you need. Think of it like having conversation with super intelligent assistant. The better you praise your request, the better the response. For example, instead of saying like I'm saying again, if you are a copywriter, you can relate this and relate with this even better, because like I was a copywriter, like I know how to do copywriting. So that's why I'm just creating I'm able to create this great contents and like create script without hiring an copywriter. Like I can hire in future, because I need a copywriter editor, because I cannot do all the things manually, because you are doing learning the skill because other entrepreneurs don't have the time to do that. So that's why you're doing that. But as an entrepreneur, I know something, but I need to automate the process. So that's why I'm gonna hire people. So like if you're a copywriter, if you are a freelancer, I need you in future. So not right now, not right now. Okay. So for prompt engineering, essence art, yeah, I just told you. For example, instead of saying create a website, like if you're just going to prompt like ChatGPT and saying the create a website template or something like that, they're not gonna help you. You need to teach ChatGPT or your GPTs, actually the open AI softwares, like teach them, know them, like tell more about your service and tell more about everything, because you need to tell them like what your service, how can they can like how it can help you, everything. Like let me tell you, just giving examples only. You could write generate a home page layout for a website targeting fitness coaches, include section for testimonial, pricing, and lead form. Like can you see the difference? specificity is like specificity is, yeah, I think the point is key. Specificity is the key. Like what makes this skill so powerful is that it's not just knowing what to say, it's about understanding how AI interprets and process your input. That's what separates good results from game changer. Like go GPTs and just ask this, like create a website. They're gonna relate to you. What is meant by create a website? Like they're gonna give you your template or something like that. But if you're gonna say like my niece is this and I want you to create a website for that, generate a home layout, website, or just target like get a reference from there. I'm just giving a reference from other website by giving pictures, PDFs. They're gonna understand more. They're gonna learn more about you. They're gonna relate more about you. So think like it's a human being. Don't think like it's a robot, something like that. You cannot be successful in that. So let me like tell you, like this is how I will say you're gonna teach GPTs to understand your market research, like everything. Like let me give you a tip of actually, if you want to get a reference of a project, go and search on YouTube, Google, and download PDFs, and from that extract the knowledge and put that on GPTs. Like in a file section, you can upload a script, documents in GPT actually. So from that PDF they will know more about you and can give you better solution about that. So yeah, so why does prompt engineering matter actually? Let's begin. AI tools like ChatGPT are becoming more accessible, but most people are barely scratching the surface of what they can do. Here's why prompt engineering is a skill you cannot ignore. I'm just saying again, core skill. This is a core skill. This is a basic skill. Whatever you want to suggest, maximize AI's capabilities. Yeah. Difference between a generic prompt and a well-crafted one can mean the difference between basic outputs and result worth $1,000. Let me tell you. From that, GPTs, if you the better the prompt is, the better the results is. So let me create. Let me tell you actually. Wait. Okay. Better results equal to better prompt. My handwriting sucks, I know. Okay, better prompt. What the fuck is this? This is a hype. Let's see. Better prompt is called better results. That's all. If you are good in prompt, you're gonna get a good result in that. So yeah, save time and resources. Why spend hours on something when a well-crafted prompt can deliver it in seconds? Like if you're gonna do that, that's not gonna help you. Wait, just rub it down. But if you're gonna create a path from here, that's gonna help you more. Just by doing. Yeah, you can try it, but you see, in the first try, you will not get a perfect result. But if you're gonna by the prompt engineering, if you gonna create a better prompt, let's say prompt, okay, prompt, and you're gonna give you a better prompt. So that's gonna help you, man. So from the better prompt, you're gonna get better results, and from the better results, you're gonna create a better service and help the client actually. Save time and resources. Why spend hours on something when a well-crafted prompt can deliver it in seconds? Like I just had told you actually. So generate real value, whether it's writing, design, or business strategy. Mastering prompt lets you deliver high quality work faster. Like if you're gonna writing, design, or business strategy, if you're gonna master this prompt engineering, you're gonna deliver high quality work faster results. That's in short, prompt engineering is the bridge between potential and results actually. So that's, I will say, it's very important to know more framework. Like I'm gonna give the framework for crafting killer prompt. Okay, this is the I will say you should know it. Okay, now let's talk about framework for writing great prompts. Here's a step-by-step guide you can use right now. Define your goals. Start by being clear on your uh, what you want to achieve. Like vague goals leads to vague outputs. Good goals, good outputs. Good prompts, good results. Example: instead of help me with marketing, it's a one-shot prompt. Actually, it's a one-shot prompt. But if you're gonna clear it and condense it and define it more, create a 5-step Facebook ad strategy targeting match posts. This is a prompt, but it is like you describe it more about it, you tell it more about it, so you can give you a good result. Use context and constraint. The more specific you are, the better. Add details about tone, format, and scope. Example: write a 300 blog post about AI funnels in a conversation tone. Target at beginners. You target it, you give a tone, you give it the topic, so that's it. And iterate and refine. Don't settle for the first output. Like tell me, let me tell you actually. Okay, I just had told you that this is the pathway actually. Let's say, wait, just give me again. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, this is a clear board actually. Yeah. Okay, let's say it is a pathway. Yeah, and this is a pathway. I'm saying again, you don't know how to do prompt, like how to use prompt engineering. Okay, but you just go from here, but at the first, like, you suck at prompting. Let's say you don't know how to do prompt, like how to use prompt and how to do prompting, like how to give a prompt to AI actually, and you just suck at first step and you fucked up actually. And but you are constant in the process, you're doing it, you're gonna reach the top. Like you're gonna reach the top. But if you don't know how to do it and just doing it, but one day it will gonna be help you. So that's the thing. If you like understand from this video also, you need to try it more. Like if I'm gonna teach you also, like I'm gonna give you some framework, but after that also you need to create it by yourself. Because if I'm gonna give you that, because let me tell you, without action there is no learning. Like if you're gonna learn and if you don't gonna put the action, then there's no way, like it has no value. You need to put the action like after learning. Wait, yeah, after learning. What is that? Okay, so where I am, okay, yeah, okay. No server first draft, like after the first draft, make like you define a prompt and guide the AI until the result is exactly what you need. Try multiple times to get the perfect result. After the first draft, make it more concise. Include 3 external steps, like there's some error in that first word, second word, or second sentence, third sentence. The framework's universal. Use it for content creation, marketing, or even problem solving in your business. It can be used in every business actually. You just need to know more about it, and you need to know how you can use that. Okay, so real life example. Here's a quick example. No wait, this is not like before that I want to, okay, so sorry for that. Okay, so let me give you a real life example. Actually, this is not a fucking full real life, but yeah, I just try to write a concise example, so I just wrote it. Here's a quick example of how I used this skill. I recently needed to write an email campaign because for a client actually in the fitness industry, and instead of like not in the fitness industry actually, he's in fitness, he's in fitness, he's a coach actually. Instead of starting from scratch, I used the following prompt: write a 5 email sequence for a fitness coach, prompting a 30-day weight loss program, include emotional storytelling and a strong call to action. Like you see the result: a fully fleshed out campaign in minutes that took and delivered, saving hours of work and impressing the client. Like the client got like impressed very quickly because they get a perfect result. They want that result actually, and I just gave it. So that's the thing. You need to know more about it. You need to try it more, because if I'm gonna, like, I just gave you everything. Like, this is a beginner actually, but in advance, I'm gonna make more video about prompt engineering in future. But you need to try. You need to try. You need to do more accents so you can be great at this. So yeah. So if you're ready to unlock the full potential of AI and stand out internet fast, start with mastering prompt engineering. And I'm here to help you every step of the way. If this video was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. And if you want to see my full guide to writing prompts, that's check the link in the, like, not in the description. I'm going to create another video, and let's start creating better results with AI today. So start taking the action, and that's all. That's all. Be great at prompt engineering, and after that, create good prompts and be good at it, and try to be good at it as much as you can, and just take the action, do the more things. And I'm watching you from far, and I'm rooting for you. Happy hunting. Bye. Peace.